It started far from the sea in Ukraine. A simple software update was released to thousands of businesses, but hidden inside that update was something far more dangerous. Within hours, offices went dark, computers crashed, and the world's biggest shipping company, Maersk, came to a sudden stop. This is the story of how a cyber attack in Ukraine shut down Maersk and changed the way the world thinks about cybersecurity. In Ukraine, almost every company used a program called MEDoc. It was an accounting software that helped businesses send their tax reports to the government. But hackers secretly broke into MEDoc's update server, the system that sends new software updates to users. So when the next update went out, it wasn't just normal software anymore. It carried the NotPetya malware hidden inside. Thousands of people, including big companies like Maersk, downloaded that update thinking it was safe. But the moment it installed, the NotPetya malware began spreading like wildfire. Once inside, NotPetya spread through company networks using stolen tools. It used Eternal Blue, a Windows weakness, and Mimikatz, which steals passwords. Together, this made the malware unstoppable, spreading faster than anyone could react. Maersk, one of the world's biggest shipping companies, was hit hard. In just minutes, 49,000 computers and 1,000 servers stopped working. Every screen showed the same message: your files are encrypted, pay $300 in Bitcoin to get them back. But even if you paid, nothing worked. Maersk's ships were still sailing, but its computers were dead. They couldn't track containers or send updates. The company went digitally blind. At first, everyone thought NotPetya was ransomware, but experts discovered the truth. It wasn't made to earn money, it was made to destroy. NotPetya was a viper disguised as ransomware that deleted data permanently. Maersk was almost completely wiped out, but then they discovered one small miracle. A tiny office in Ghana, Africa, had lost power during the attack. Because it was offline, the computer there escaped the malware. That server had a clean copy of Maersk's network data, the key to rebuild everything. Maersk's engineers flew to Ghana, copied the data, and flew it safely to London. Using that one server, they rebuilt their entire IT network from scratch. In just 10 days, Maersk restored its global operations, an incredible comeback after one of the world's biggest cyber disasters. The NotPetya attack showed how even a small software update can bring down global trade, and that one simple backup, even in a faraway office, can save an entire company. Cybersecurity isn't just about computers, it's about keeping the world moving. This was the story of NotPetya, the malware that stopped global shipping, and the one little server in Ghana that saved Maersk. Subscribe to Cyberwaves and stay cyber safe at sea.